Wow, wow, these limestones coming out of the water, a natural beauty, a national park. So happy I came out here. It's early here in Thailand, nothing but the sounds of waves rolling in and the occasional airplane landing at the Koh Samui airport. Today I have a special treat for you. We're heading out to the Ang Thong Marine Park, a group of around 42 islands out there in the Gulf of Thailand. This is one of those must-do things when you're down in Koh Samui or in the Gulf of Thailand, is get out there on a boat and see these islands. And there she is right there, our vessel, Golden Moon Travel #2, looking beautiful in the morning sun. That's it, we're leaving shore behind. The Golden Moon is heading out to the Gulf of Thailand. Look at these three Suzuki 250 horsepower, 750 horsepower motors. They got us here in about 1 hour's time. We're gonna go some beautiful water out there. I'm not a fish expert, but there were some purple and yellow fishes down there, some tiger stripe fishes. I brought along my GoPro stick on this trip to Thailand, but when I was looking through my suitcase, I forgot to bring my GoPro. It's a damn shame. You also have a whole bunch of reefs. You can dive down in there, hold your breath, and see all the little fishes hiding out in there, all the colorful fish swimming in and out, trying to run and duck and hide from you. This is up at the northern tip of these islands. We're gonna be cruising down towards the south here soon after everybody gets back on the boat. There are about 20 of us on this boat. And this couple here, they're enjoying it from Spain on their honeymoon, right?
Yes.
Alejandro and Ruth. Honeymoon as well. This is the honeymoon cruise right here. A lot of lovers out here. I'm still looking for love. Maybe I'll find it out in the open sea. That's Monkey Island right there. No, there are not monkeys on that, but it looks like a monkey. It looks like a monkey praying. You have to use your imagination. See the head of the monkey and then the hands praying. That's why they call it Monkey Island. This is the Ang Thong National Park. Limestones coming out everywhere, speeding along on a boat, getting a view of all the little islands. Part of the tour is that we go kayaking here. We have this beautiful beach spot here, and out there is our playground. And for the whole price of this tour, I went through an agency. I paid around 2,300 Thai baht for this, and I think it's probably gonna be worth it. It's a full day out, lunch, snorkeling, kayaking, hiking, everything you want. Okay, we're out in the open waters. I have a travel companion here, Sela. They teamed me up with her. Hi, Sela.
Hi.
She's from India with a group of travelers here, and we're heading around this ridge here. It's stunning because we're getting up close with the kayak to these rocks. Back behind us, more rocks just coming out of the water, peaks over that way. It really makes it worth your time to get out here. Come on, Sela, faster, faster, let's go. Okay, we about crashed into the rock. Well, we did crash into the rock.
It was my fault.
No, we're not placing any blame here. Having a good time out here, shooting underneath these rocks, just looking at the various rock formations out that way.
I'm going to hit on you.
Nice teamwork.
Yay.
Yeah, she's good. These ladies are teaching me some famous Indian songs. Sounds beautiful. So we climbed these steep steps. It's like climbing a wall. Back over this way, it's the Blue Lagoon. Over that way, you can see all the islands coming out. Look at that. That's where we started snorkeling today. We worked our way down here, Blue Lagoon, and we're stopping here next. There should be beer and lunch. I'd really recommend doing a trip like this with the group or arranging a private tour because there are a lot of tourists right now in Thailand, but on this tour you wouldn't know it. The way they arranged the time schedules or something. Basically, we're at these spots like here in the Blue Lagoon, and there's no one else here, so it's just the 20 of us exploring this jungle-like area, the rocks and the water. It's very intimate. Part of the tour here is we're stopping at this little fishing village where ancient people, original Thai people who've been living on these islands for years. They're a fishing community. Well, they prepared lunch for us today. Yeah, it's fish. We're leaving the little fisherman's village behind. Kapunka! Oh, such sweet people. So we are right on the edge of the national park, just outside, and now we're heading back in to we stopped on this big island here. Boats stopped down below. About 15 are staying on the beach, just relaxing. 5 of us are hiking up 500 meters. What's supposed to be a spectacular viewpoint. If anything, it's just a good amount of cross training today with kayaking, snorkeling, beer drinking, mixing it all in. Now my heart's racing. It must have been the Singa beer, but already we're greeted with this at 100 meters up. Look at this awesome view out here. You get the beach down there, a big island off in the distance. This 90% humidity is killing me. And these stairs, be ready, be prepared. They're not normal stairs. They're steep, steep, steep. We're in the final 200 meters and I have my French friends up here. They're waiting for me. I am drenched in sweat. Do not come up here in your flip-flops because it makes the hiking that much more difficult. But we're up here at 500 meters. Check out that view. Wow, wow, wow. But just discovered there's another 50 meters more, Ruth.
No, I can't believe that.
It's true, it's true. Here we go. Whoa, all right. Final 50-meter push, 50 meters in altitude gain, and these tough stairs, but already it feels worth it. What a day out it's been. I'm just burping up those chilies. 7,001, 7,002, 7,003, and made it up to the top. These are the final steps down. I didn't record much of it because it is technical, and with these slippery flip-flops, you really need to pay attention to your footing going down. Don't do that in flip-flops, or as the locals do, just go barefooted, but that could hurt your feet. There we go. We got the tour guide down here pointing us towards some monkeys. Oh, what a day out. It really makes me appreciate that I can do all this traveling and see all these great places. Here, these islands in the Gulf of Thailand are breathtaking, and they should be on your bucket list of things to do. If you like this travel video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to support me making all this content around the world, please consider giving us super thanks and drop some comments while you're at it down below. Let me know what was your favorite spot of the day, if you've been here before or if you want to come here. Now that's it.